Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log into Bully Anniversary Edition. First of all, open the Bully Anniversary Edition app on your device and wait for the game to fully load and start the menu. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the map icon at the top right corner to open up other options. From here, click on Rockstar account at the bottom left. Now, click the sign in button and then you'll need to log in using your Rockstar account's credentials. If you don't have a Rockstar game account yet, click on Create a new account at the bottom and follow through the instructions. If you do, click on the Email tab and enter your email address associated with your Rockstar account. Now, on the next field, type down your password for your account. Make sure to type it down correct. And finally, click on Sign In. If you don't remember the password for your Rockstar account, click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the password reset process. After clicking Sign In, and if your credential is correct, you'll be able to log in using your Rockstar Games account and start playing Bully Anniversary Edition. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.